Hey everyone, my name is Patricia Carlin. I am the co-founder and CEO of Deposyt. If you run a seasonal business and struggle with cash flow during the off season, this video is for you. So these are the 3 things that I strongly recommend merchants do to get instant access to cash when your business is a little slower. So number 1, and I'm not saying this just because I'm a payments company, switch to no fee processing. So in our instance, you would call us and say, hey, I want to switch my merchant account. I want to pass the fee to the customer. This is during your business, your busy time, right? So this is when cash is flowing and you're feeling good and you have a lot of money. So you do $100,000 a month, you're going to immediately save over $3,000 a month. I actually call it making $3,000 a month. Here's the secret trick now. And this is what I tell all my customers to do. Take that extra money you're now earning instead of giving it to the card companies and Visa and MasterCard and put it in a separate savings account. So what happens now is now all of a sudden you're doing great, you're making a lot of money, that off season hits and you now have $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 every month in there that you could immediately start paying yourself. Number 2, start setting up JVs. People are very uncomfortable about asking for a referral fee. In our industry, you need to start treating the service industry needs to start treating themselves like white glove services, like fintech companies. We give 50% of profits to every time somebody refers a merchant account. We give people 50%. So start setting up your JVs. For example, if you do gutter cleaning, set up a JV with a roofer. So then when it's not your season, you could go ahead and have roofers come to your customer base and start checking the roofs. You get a fee off of that. Don't be afraid to ask for that, because when you set up a JV network, that's where you get the circle that we all have, even in our industry, in these white glove services, where it's like, oh, I have a guy, I have a person. You become the connector, but connectors, when done right, can make an extreme amount of money, extra money. I think I always see people that try to do these side hustles that are completely outside of the scope of what they know and what they do, and then they end up spending more money than they're actually going to make. So stay focused and use what you're good at and your customer base. Number 3, set up maintenance type of programs. So if you do, I just talked to somebody about on a group about Christmas lights. Set up storage, set up monthly storage where you also fix all their bulbs. Make it low cost, but what you're doing is you're creating additional stickiness. So again, my 3 things. Number 1 action takes 10 minutes. Switch to dual pricing. We have all the terminals. We have all the handhelds, pay by phone, invoicing, online. It doesn't matter. Then it does. And again, don't go spending that money. You can, but I'm going to tell you the best thing that works is put that money in a savings account and start paying yourself with that money that you didn't even have. You could also use that money to buy trucks, tools, equipment. You could do so many things. Go play the best golf courses in the world. Number 2, set up JVs. I am an expert at JVs. I will give you everything you need to know. I'll shoot another video about JVs. Our entire business is based on JVs. It is the most lucrative form of passive income that I could ever recommend. And I not only do it, but I see it with my own eyes all the time. And then again, number 3, set up membership programs. Not only is it great for your valuation as a company, as well as all the hook-ons are great for you. If you have all these JVs, it's great when it comes to what your company is worth. And then you also have that monthly recurring revenue. Next, I'm going to talk to you about why everybody in my next video should have a coaching program. It could be to teach people how to become an expert in what they do and what you're doing. It could be your mistakes not to do. Or my favorite thing is teaching your customers and sending them out videos on how they could kind of do at-home services without you. If you think that's crazy to give it away, I promise you it's not. When you give away free content, free information, it creates a loyal customer. So I hope this helped. If you want to switch to no fee processing, book a call at deposyt.com. We could get you started. It takes 10 minutes. Fill out the application. We have everything you could ever imagine to run your business. And outside of that, even like videos like this, we're not just a payments company, we're a business development platform. So for us, if you grow, we grow. It's a transactional relationship. So we show you all the ways to start making more money, increasing your profits, and just being a better business. Have a great day.